Hey everyone, welcome back to the Black Star Survival channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: what to do before a disaster. Whether it's a natural calamity or an unexpected crisis, being prepared can make all the difference. Stick around as we walk you through the essential steps for disaster preparedness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest survival tips. First, assess the risks specific to your location. Are you in an earthquake-prone area? Do hurricanes frequently hit your region? Understanding the types of disasters that could affect you is the first step in effective preparedness. Next, create a comprehensive disaster plan. Discuss evacuation routes, communication strategies, and emergency contacts with your family. Make sure everyone knows their role and what to do if disaster strikes. Building an emergency kit is crucial. Your kit should include water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, and essential medications. Don't forget to customize your kit for your family's unique needs. Stay informed by signing up for local alerts and monitoring news sources. Having up-to-date information can provide you with valuable time to act and keep you informed about changing situations. Securing your home can mitigate damage. This might include reinforcing windows, securing heavy furniture, and knowing how to shut off utilities like gas, electricity, and water. Practice makes perfect. Regularly conduct disaster drills with your family to ensure everyone knows the plan and can act quickly and confidently when needed. Get involved in community preparedness efforts. Knowing your neighbors and participating in local preparedness groups can strengthen your community's ability to respond to disasters. Being prepared for a disaster can save lives and reduce the impact on your family. Follow these steps to ensure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Make sure to check out our website, blackstarsurvival.com, for more tips and high-quality preparedness gear. And we'll see you in the next video.